Did you know your afternoon performance decline happens at exactly the same time every day? 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. Most executives think it's fatigue. It's not. It's a neurobiological shutdown triggered by your lunch choices. Here's the mechanism. When you consume high glycemic carbohydrates at midday, your insulin response suppresses norepinephrine production. Norepinephrine is the primary neurotransmitter driving focused executive function. Without it, your prefrontal cortex activity drops measurably. The glucose-insulin response curve creates a direct impairment in decision-making speed and verbal fluency. This costs you 30% of your afternoon output quality every day. The protocol is simple. Eliminate carbohydrates from your working lunch entirely. Structure it around protein and fat only. Shift your carbohydrate load to post-6 p.m. when cognitive demands decrease. This isn't about energy management. This is about preserving the neurochemical environment required for executive performance. Your afternoon meetings, strategic decisions, and critical communications depend on stable norepinephrine levels. Implement this protocol for 72 hours. Measure the difference in your afternoon output quality.